Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you a backdoor way to sell free plus shipping products on Facebook using ads, but you can also just use it normally. If you got like a lot of likes and followers, you can do this as well. So the reason it works so well is because when you send this out, Facebook actually sends out a notification afterwards to basically tell the person to buy your product again. So I'm gonna show you how it works, and then I'll show you exactly how to make it live in my ads manager. By the way, I'm starting to do live Q&A sessions, and basically if you want a part 2 as well to this, so just leave your questions below. And also if you want to see a part 2 for this, where I go into audiences and manual bidding strategies for this as well, and also how to create the ads, just leave a comment and I'll do a part 2. So let's get into it. Let me show you what it is. So you can create an offer right here in your Facebook page, but you can also do it when you make a campaign. So let me go into my ads manager. Let's take a look. So the thing is, it's called an offer. So when you make an offer, what happens is Facebook actually what it allows you to do is you can get people to claim a coupon code, and then later on Facebook actually sends out these notifications to people, because once they click on your offer, it saves it inside Facebook. So let me actually show you that where it is. And once they've saved it, but they don't actually know to save it because they just click on get offer and it automatically saves it. Facebook will send out reminders to those people. So you can imagine you can have a free plus shipping product, and what you can do is you can get people to claim the free product, and then Facebook will actually send out 2 notifications over time, sometimes even more notifications. So you can see one here. This is like the normal notification bar, which is like this. Let me show you. It's like that. And then through email as well. So Facebook will actually email them to remind them to use your your notification. So this is super cool. Literally no one, I don't think many people do this. I mean, I was doing this before it got kind of, before they put it inside the ads manager. So I was doing this since like a long time ago, and it works so well. So let me show you. So once you're in here, you can see it actually saves it inside this saved section. And basically Facebook will send out these notifications to people to basically let them know that they gotta come back and get your product. So if you give out a free offer, let me show you. I got a few here, and yeah, so let's get into. So let me show you how to make it. So I'm gonna show you how to do for traffic ads. All right, so let's get into how to do for traffic ads. Let me check the timer. So we're 2 minutes in. Don't want to go over it for too long, but so we're gonna come here. I'm gonna click on start over. I'm gonna do it for traffic ads for now, but I usually do it for conversion ads. So we'll just start out with basic traffic ads. So I'm just gonna come here, click on continue, and here's where you do it. So you can't use landing page views for this. You have to use link clicks. So you want to disable landing page views and click on link clicks, and then once you've done that, and also you want to change that to link clicks as well. And then once you've done that, you actually want to come inside here and toggle this button. So like it says here, drive more conversions, and I've been doing this for long. So this is actually one of the best ways to sell free plus shipping stuff, products. So you want to click on, you want to toggle it on, and then click on create offer for your, so select your page as well. So you want to come in here and select your page, click on create offer, and here's where you want to make your offer. So you want to give them, so you probably they won't need a coupon code here, unless you want to give them a coupon code. They won't need it. So it's just you're just gonna say free, let's say you're giving away a free bracelet, free, and then just give details on the bracelet. You might be like, all right, so free golden, I don't know, Spanish mountain bracelet, and then in the details you can say click to claim your free bracelet. All right, and here's what's gonna happen. Facebook is gonna charge you once for the click. like we showed you before, and that's literally all you have to do, and then that's it. And then Facebook is going to charge you you know, for a click. So once you can see here, Facebook is charging you per link click for this you know, campaign objective. And what happens is once they've clicked on the ad, it's going to save it inside here, and then over time, so you can actually set an expiration date for when your offer ends. So let's say you want to end it, so I recommend you do about 5 to 7 days. Okay, if it's free plus shipping and it's cheap, you just do it like even 3 to 5 days works well as well. So do about 3 to 7 days. And then once it happens, so let's say you paid for a click, it's going to be saved here in the little tab thing in the saved section, and then Facebook is going to send out these notifications to you know, to the desktop or mobile, so right here, and it's going to send through an email to remind them to get you know, their free offer. So if you're doing any kind of free plus shipping, make sure you're actually doing this. The other option you can actually do is basically you can offer like a code, so you can say free bracelet, and then you can say click to claim your coupon code to get a free bracelet. That might actually work a little bit better. You'll have to check it out yourself, but even doing this by itself, it's still going to send out the 2 notifications to your, you know, because Facebook actually sends out the email for you, which is so super cool. So I think that's all there is for it now. So I just want to give you the idea. So if you're already selling any kind of product, you want to start using offers, because Facebook sends out notifications, and you know, you don't have to pay for that as well. Like for you're not paying for these clicks, you're not paying for this email to be sent out. So make sure you actually do this before, you know, a lot of people start getting on it as well. So you want to get in it right now. Okay, and then in the next video, we're gonna go over audiences, what, you know, who to actually send it to, because you have to send it to the right person as well at the right time. So I'll show you which audiences I use, what settings I use, the bidding strategies that I use, you know, the ads, the actual headlines. So with these kind of headlines, you can just tell them, look, it's a free plus shipping product. It gives details on your product. So whatever your product is, you give them some details. And your end date should be like 3 to 7 days. Okay, so 3 to 7 days, so that it doesn't stay for too long. And then, so on the first day, people click on it, it gets saved, and you know, they remember it. And then I'll say about 2 days later, Facebook sends out these 2 notifications to remind them, and you know, that should get them to buy. All right, that should get them to buy. And as for the coupon code, if you want to take to the next level and you actually charge for your products, you can put it on your website as $8, and then tell them, look, you can get it for free if you use this, you know, free coupon code. So you're gonna want to test the 2 just to see how it works. And there's also total offers available. So I recommend you probably put it like, let's say you're running these ads on a weekly basis, you probably want to put like a low number. So because Facebook actually tells them how many there are left, so it might say like there are like 16 left, or there's 10 left, and then people, you know, they want to get this. So that's a good, like, you know, scarcity method to get people to actually click on it and get their offer. So if you want to see part 2 for this, just leave a comment and I'll do part 2. And also, if you got any questions about Facebook ads and stuff like that, just leave like a detailed question, because I'm answering them live, and I might actually like show you how to do in the ads manager if the question requires, you know, more like explanation. Because when I'm like replying through text, it's like, all right, create custom audiences and then do this. It's like, it gets confusing. So I'd rather just answer it, you know, on a live call or just through a video. That way you can see exactly what I'm doing, rather than just be like, all right, create conversion ad. It's like, it's just too confusing. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, peace out.